how to manage views on smoking on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and then click these 3 points and click edit profile. Now scroll down until you find here beliefs and scroll down, and here we'll find it. Here we'll find it, views on smoking. Just click on it and select until you want here, and then just save it. Click this save icon in the top corner and you can change it whenever you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.